If you guys have never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker. I make coins into rings. And today we're going to be turning this, I don't know, some of you guys have never seen a silver quarter before, but this is a 90% silver quarter. It's called a silver proof. And we're going to go ahead and pop it out of this flip and punch a hole in it. Very nice, very nice. And these 90% silver state quarters, I currently have all 50 states available. If anybody wants to get one, the website link is on my profile. There's our little center punch. So now we're going to clean up the inside edge here real quick with our deburring tool. What does that do? It shaves away the inside edge here at a slight angle, makes it nice and smooth. So when we punch a hole through it, it's actually quite sharp and jagged. So that just cleans it up a little bit. Now we're going to anneal this. So we're going to hit it with some fire. That's going to soften this silver up. And then we'll start bending and shaping it. Listen to this. This is nice. Ooh. That little tss, though. This looks pretty cool already. But we're going to start folding it. So here is our ring so far. Sorry the lighting is kind of awkward. But we've got kind of this cone shape going here. Got Tennessee on the front there. Guys, just tap that follow button. Well, that'd be really nice. The next step here is to stretch this ring out. And this one is going to be a big boy. This is going to be a size 12. We're going to have to do quite a bit of stretching. I'll probably actually anneal it again so that we can soften the metal after we work hard on it a little bit. Stretch it about halfway to 12. And then hit it with the fire. Once more. So we got that coming along really nicely. Go ahead and check our size. It's just about a size 12. It's just under. But what I like to do, since this is still kind of cone shaped, it's a little wider on this side, I like to stretch it to about a 13 and then reduce it down to a size 12 so we can get a nice even wall shape. And then before we stretch it anymore, I'm going to anneal it again. Listen to this. Listen. I'm getting real close here. Listen. You listening? Ooh, that's nice. Thread the needle. There we go. And we probably don't even have to stretch this out very far because it's already pretty close to that 13. Yeah, we got it to 13 and a half. That's perfect. Here is our ring so far. Like I said, that little bit of a difference between one side and the other. That's what we're going to fix right now. There we go. Spot on 12. Perfect. This is my favorite part. Well, we've got the right size, we've got the right shape, but we've got all this crummy fire scale all over this beautiful silver coin. How are we going to get it off of there? we're gonna grab some steel wool. Yeah. So most steel wool is really, really rough. This is 4-0 steel wool. So it's super fine, and it doesn't really mess with the detail of the coin, but it's really good at getting the fire scale off. This is like the best thing I found, and let's just watch how shiny this gets with just a little bit of elbow grease. So I'm just buffing at it and slowly rotating it and get all the way around there. You can see that darkening coming off. It's not all the way off, but that silver is getting life back to it slowly but surely. And you can really see the difference from the inside of the ring, which I haven't messed with yet, and the outside of the ring. That silver is coming through. And I'll polish this even more. We'll do the inside. Oh, there's our coin ring. Came out very nice. If anybody here would like to get one, go check out the website, coinringmaker.com. And if you haven't yet, give me a follow. If you like my work, you want to see more of it later, I'm doing all kinds of cool coin ring stuff on here all the time. Yeah, that came out really nice. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye. There it is, guys. Our finished 90% silver Tennessee quarter coin ring. If you like that, check out my website, coinringmaker.com. Check out my other videos, making coin rings all the time. If you want to get one, order one from the store. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.